Solving inequalities by addition and subtraction. We solve these just like if there's an equal sign instead of the inequality. This is x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 8. So what we do is we add 12 to both sides. So x is greater than or equal to 20. And we can look to see if this is true. Pick a number greater than or equal to 20.
32.
Let's say 20. 20 is equal to 20. What's 20 minus 12?
20 minus 12 is 8.
8. Is 8 equal to 8?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's pick it up. Let's go 30. What's 30 minus 12?
18.
Is 18 greater than or equal to 8? Yes.
Greater than.
So what does x have to be?
This.
Greater than or equal to 20.
Is that it?
Write this down. 22 is greater than m minus 8. So what we do is we add 8 to both sides.
30.
We find that 30 is greater than m. So what I need to do is pick a number less than 30 and see if this comes true.
29.9. 20.
How about, let's go with an easy number. Let's go with 20. What's 20 minus 8?
20 minus
12. Is 22 greater than 12?
No.
Yes.
This says 2.
Write this down. This is set builder notation. This is read as the set of all numbers x such that x is greater than or equal to 20. So if I wanted to write that on a number line, if I wanted to draw a number line, this means that x is such that x is greater than or equal to 20. So 20, x is greater than or equal to, so it's a closed circle around 20, and x is any number that is greater than or equal to 20. So that's how I would draw it.
That's it?
Write this down.
Now you done it.
So we solve m plus 19 is greater than 56. So what I want to do is I want to subtract 19 to both sides.
Hey.
That tells me m is greater than or equal to what?
To whatever name.
37.
There we go.
So we find that.
C.
Okay, that would be C. This says that m is all the numbers that are greater than or equal to, or greater than 37. Write this down. So now we are to solve 3a plus 6 is less than or equal to 3a. What I want to do is I want to combine like terms. I want to get a on the same side. So I subtract 3a to both sides. This gives me 6 is less than or equal to a, because 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 times a is a. So 6 is greater than or equal to a. So what I do is I graph this. 6, oh, that doesn't look very good. Yeah, that was a bad 6. A is everything greater than or equal to 0. So it's a closed circle around 6, and it goes this direction. Write this down. This is read as 5h is less than or equal to 12 plus 4h. So I want to get h on the same side, so I subtract 4h. This gives me h is less than or equal to 12. So to graph it, I put 12 on the number line. H is anything less than that. H is less than or equal to 12, so it's a closed circle around 12. Now it's going to the left. If the variable is on the left side of the inequality, then you can use the arrow. The arrow is pointing to the left, so you can use that. The problem was before where the variable was on the right, so we couldn't use the arrow.
I don't like number lines.
Write this down. This is read as 9n minus 1 is less than 10. So we need to find what n is to make this come true. So I subtract 1, or add 1, sorry. We do the opposite. This means 9n is less than 11. I divide by 9. So n is anything less than 11 ninths. So I put that on a number line. It's an open circle going to the left. Write this down. There is your assignment.